Hey guys, Todd here. Today we're going to install the Fortis Bullnose front bumper from Steelcraft on the Ford Bronco. The tools we'll be using for this installation are an 18mm socket with ratchet, along with an 18mm ratcheting wrench. Now make sure you're subscribed to our channel to stay up to date with our latest content. Let's go ahead and get started. Now we have had a number of aftermarket bumpers already installed on this Bronco, so we're going to start off with the factory bumper already removed. If you want to see how that works, just consult your written instructions. Now, if your Bronco came from the factory with adaptive cruise control, you would have a module that sits right here. That needs to come off. So what you want to do is remove your active shutter system. That way you can get to that module, pull that off along with its harness, and then reinstall your shutter system. You are given provisions to relocate that harness up above your bumper. Now, we don't have the adaptive cruise, so we're going to go ahead and go to the step where we install our frame-mounted brackets. Okay, here we are on the driver's side frame mount. You'll notice we've got two oval holes here and one oval hole here on this side. Here is the bracket that we're going to be installing, so these oval holes will all line up. You'll also want to keep in mind, to get this oriented properly, the wedge shape is face down, so this is just going to be a mirror image on the opposite side. Now, the last bumper was on here was an aftermarket bumper. You will probably be using the factory hardware to put this back on. I will need to reuse the aftermarket hardware, but it's pretty much the same principle. My stuff will probably just look different than yours. So. Just going to slide that on. All this is going to be put on just finger tight for right now. All right, repeat the same on the opposite side. Okay, now before we install the bumper, let's go ahead and get it prepped. First off, it's a good idea if you're going to install any aftermarket lighting, go ahead and do that now. We've got 4 pods that we've already installed inside these pockets here. You also are given a couple of brackets in case you want to install a 20-inch LED light behind this grill here, and these are labeled for you driver and passenger side. You also have the provisions to install your adaptive cruise control and relocate that. This is the bracket that you would use, and these two blanks right here, those are just plugs that you would pop out, and that would install right back here. Go ahead and put that together. If that's what you have, you'll have all the hardware needed for that. We also have provisions to install your front-facing sensors into these locations here. And like us, if you don't have front-facing sensors, you're also given some caps just to pop through the front, and we're just going to go ahead and do that on these. All right, next you're going to want to get a friend to help you lift this up and line it up into place. The brackets we just installed onto the frame of the truck are going to slide in between these two trusses right here. We'll also have 3 holes on each one of those brackets that will line up to the 3 holes in the truss. You'll use the provided hardware to go through each one of these holes. You have the bolt and washer that goes through. On the other side where the bracket is, you'll also put another washer, lock washer, and nut. Get all 6 of those, 3 on each side, set in there finger tight for right now. Okay, now with all of our hardware hand tight, we can go ahead and adjust the bumper exactly where we want it, hold it in position, and get underneath there and tighten down the bumper to the brackets and then the brackets to the frame using 18mm wrench and ratchet. repeat the same on the opposite side. All right, now we've got everything lined up and tightened down. It's a good time to get up underneath and tie down any of your wires out of the way from your lighting, and that concludes the installation. If you found this video helpful, make sure and give us a thumbs up. If you want to know more about the product, check the link in the description below, and as always, if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online at RealTruck.com.